who killed a local mother, and he said he's guilty. He's now undergoing his penalty phase. Now, Donald Davidson could get the death penalty for killing Roseanne Welch and assaulting her daughter. Our Troy Kless is in Clay County right now. He joins us with more. Troy.
Thanks, Katie. That's right. A lot of the testimony that we've heard so far today has described the truly awful nature of the crimes that Donald Davidson committed. Now, some of the first things that we heard in this testimony, that included the 911 call that Welch's son made to police when he made the discovery of his mother's body inside their home. Now, again, this all happening a few years ago, and Donald Davidson facing that first-degree murder charge and also charges for sexual assault and kidnapping of Welch's daughter. Now, again, he found his mother dead, lying naked in the shower with stab wounds to her neck and a shoelace wrapped around her. That was what he was describing to dispatchers over the phone. The son then told police that Donald Davidson actually came over earlier in the day and said that his mother was at a friend's house. So he went there and then came back and made that discovery. Some family and friends of the victims were crying and left the courtroom during this part of the trial, which has been very emotional, of course. Now, her son stayed on the line until detectives arrived, and detectives testifying, again, kind of walking through the scene of what exactly they discovered there. So, again, they found that, again, Davidson's, Welch was found, again, with those stab wounds and with a shoelace wrapped around her neck, indicating a struggle and some of the things that he had done to her. So again, a lot of this testimony is still very early in this, again, death penalty trial. Now, the state attorney, Melissa Nelson, mentioned too earlier in her opening statement that because of the nature of the crimes, that the death penalty is the only fitting punishment. In response, the defense attorney mentioned that they are going to, again, not make any excuses, but they're going to describe some of Davidson's upbringing and what some of the actions and background he bring would allow him to, again, commit or allegedly commit these crimes. So we're going to have more on this story, again, throughout the day on First Coast News at 5 and at 6 o'clock tonight. But for now, live in Clay County, Troy Kless, First Coast News, on your side.